Good morning, students. Now I am going to revise the chapter Last Spring from the book Flamingo. In this lesson, what is the concept of childhood? What is the real meaning of childhood has been described by the narrator. There is a reference of two children. First one is Sahib Alam and second one is Mukesh. First child, whose name is Sahib Alam, is related to Bangladesh, Dhaka, and second child, whose name is Mukesh, related to Firozabad. And this story has been divided into two parts. The first part is related to Sahib Alam, where he says that sometime I found 10 rupees note or a coin in the garbage. So I am just describing firstly about the Sahib Alam. Sahib Alam is a child who came from Bangladesh when his all the land and property were destroyed due to the storm. He came to New Delhi, especially in Simapuri area, and started the work of rag picker. He started searching the important material in the garbage, and after selecting them, he was selling and earning his livelihood. One day, narrator Anish Jung met to Sahib Alam and asked him that, "Why do you do this work?" Sahib Alam replied that he does this work because he has no any other work. That's why he is doing this work. Narrator Anish Jung asked him, if she opens a school, he will come to her school or not. He replied boldly that if she will open a school, he will join her school. Immediately, time passed away. After few days, when narrator Anish Jung met to Sahib Alam once again, Sahib Alam asked her that, have you opened your school? Narrator Anish Jung was in shyful mood, in shameful condition, because she knew that very well it was not easy task to open a school, and Sahib Alam was doing the work of rag picker. After few days, he was sitting outside of the table tennis court very hopelessly. Narrator asked him that why is he sitting outside. Then he told that the guard has not given him permission to go inside the tennis court. When the children who are playing at this time related to rich family will move from the court, he will get the opportunity, will get the chance to enter inside the field of court. He was very hopeless, but survival was utmost necessary for him. That's why he was involved in such a task. And at last, narrator Anish Jung met to Sahib Alam when he was working at a tea stall. He was very sad. He was in very sorrowful mood. Narrator Anish Jung asked him that, how do you feel at this time? He told that he feels not very nice or not very sorrowful. But narrator compared his previous work to the present work and came to know that in previous work Sahib Alam was the master of his own work, but in present work he was as a servant and he was getting 800 rupees per month and means day's food, and he was very hopeless, he was in very sorrowful mood to surviving his life like this way, because it was the time for study, but he couldn't study due to very unfavorable situation in the life. So student, this was the story of the first child whose name was Sahib Alam. Now I am going to describe about the Mukesh, who is related to Firozabad. As you know very well that Firozabad is famous for the bangles factory, where Mukesh while living. Narrator Anish Jung met to him and wanted to know that what was the actual desire of Mukesh. Mukesh wanted to do something different in his life. He had a dream to be a motor mechanic instead of working in the Bengals factory. And when narrator Anish Jung visited his house, he saw very unfavorable condition, unhygienic condition of his family. One means elder brother wife of Mukesh was preparing food for all the members of her family, and Mukesh talked to Anish Jung. Anish Jung told Mukesh that why are you not fighting for the improvement? Then he told that sometime we united and just raised the voice for the improvement, but the policemen are coming and just catching to us and giving the punishment. That's why none is coming forward. Many politicians are coming, different kind of people they are related to high rank job are coming, and they are only promising for our improvement, but none is coming for the actual improvement. So student, in this lesson last spring I narrated especially about Sahib Alam's lives and as well as the Mukesh lives as a revision work. Thank you.